Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a strawberry cake. I hope y'all all are having a great day today. It's drizzly here right now. It rained during the night, but it's still cool, and we always enjoy our cool weather when we get it down here in Georgia. So today, like I said, I'm making a strawberry cake, and this is another easy, budget-friendly recipe. And so all you do is you add your cake mix, and this is a Duncan Hines strawberry cake mix. Okay. And then you add your water. The recipe will be in the description below. Okay, so you add your eggs, and this is 3 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, and a cup of pineapple. So you just mix this all up. Okay. Okay, so I'm baking this in a 9 by 13 inch pan, sprayed pan. So okay. This right here was a very easy recipe, and you bake this at 350 degrees. If your oven cooks higher, you can adjust it according to the way your oven cooks. And the recipe says about 40 minutes, but I'm going to be looking at mine at about 30 minutes. And then I'll come back and make the icing for this cake. And it really does smell good already. Okay, so let me put this in the oven, and I'll be back in a minute. Hi everyone, I'm back. My cake has been cooling about 2 hours and a half, and so now I'm ready to make my icing. And it's called strawberry cake frosting. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in my vanilla Jell-O instant pudding. And 1 cup of milk. And I'm just going to beat this up till it gets set. It's really been a dreary day here today. It's been kind of drizzly all day today and cool. I think it's not any more than 65 right now. But this Jell-O pudding smells good. I actually think I'm smelling that almond extract over there that goes in this. That's what smells good. Okay.
I know the cake really looks good.
Yeah, it does.
When I was looking at the ingredients that you put in it, it reminds me a lot of the sunshine cake that you made.
Yeah, it's a very easy cake, and I know it's going to be really good. Okay, so now then I'm going to start on the other part of the cake. Which is the whipped topping. I just got my bowl out of the freezer. I like to get it real cold because it makes my whipping cream set up better. Okay, so I'm going to be adding a cup of whipping cream. And 1 teaspoon of almond extract. That's what's smelling so good. So I'm going to beat this up until it forms stiff peaks. Okay, my whipping cream is ready, so now I'm going to fold it into my pudding mixture. Me and Calvin is going to be having this dessert tonight with our supper. I hadn't really decided what I'm going to have yet. It's between a chicken sandwich and chicken strips and French fries. I like to get those chicken patties from Walmart and make me a copycat Chick-fil-A sandwich. Okay. Okay, I think that's all folded in. So now it's time to icing my cake. And that whipping cream kind of got away a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. Okay. If you wanted to, you could probably put a little bit of food coloring in this and make it pink on top, since this is a strawberry cake, but I didn't do that today. Me and Calvin was talking about this recipe, and it does sort of remind us of a sunshine cake.
If it tastes half as good as the sunshine cake tasted, I'm going to really enjoy it.
Yeah.
And just looking at it, it looks like it's going to be just as good.
Yeah. Seems like the icing should be pink though, doesn't it? Since it's strawberry. But this is the icing they recommended, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Of What do you think, Kevin? Do you think that I should have put red food coloring in it?
You could, it would just be for looks, it wouldn't affect the taste of it,
Yeah,
but it looks fine to me. I think we'll be okay with it.
yeah.
Well, I know you're supposed to refrigerate this after you get through,
Mm-hmm.
but do you think you can go ahead and cut us a small piece for a sample? Let's
Sure.
try it out.
Yeah. Okay. This is my easy strawberry cake, and so I'm fixing to taste it. Okay, so now I'm going to do the taste test. It's really good. One more bite. So do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great day. Bye. This cake was really good, and the almond flavoring in it really made the icing taste great. And also when we put it in the refrigerator and it got cold, it was really good then.
I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together